What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is David Hanlon, aka the Laptop Legend, and today I had my second best day of all time day trading with $12,363. And in this video, I want to show you an extra cool clip where I made literally $5,000 in 1 minute. Yeah, that's right. So, I mean, it blows my mind that I can make this much money this quickly. Seriously, again, I used to work like 2 weeks to get like a couple $100 paycheck. So the fact that I can make that in literally a minute is absolutely mind-blowing. So I just want to go and show you the footage real quick because I think it's a fun video. And I also want to talk about the setup a little bit and how I was so confident to take this much size on a play that, you know, could potentially be considered risky. So I'm gonna dive into it, show you guys the live replay of me taking this trade so you guys can see my account explode, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's get right into the video. All right, guys, so the ticker that I made this incredible trade on was ELEK. And if you've been following my channel at all, I've been talking about this stock for a while because it had this insane day here where it ran from literally 46 cents above 550. I mean, just a crazy over 1,000% move in one day. And when you get a stock like that runs that hard on news that a billionaire from Miami was investing in a penny OTC stock, this thing is going to have legs. And you can see the day two here was really nice, had a huge spike on that day before it ended up failing. And it's had some red days since then, so it's been pretty beaten down. The high here was, you know, $8.50. $8.50, and it's all the way down at this point to under $2. So I mean, it's down more than 75% from those highs here. And today, you know, I was watching it because I kind of was expecting that it's going to bounce at some point, and we had a breaking news play that came out right in the middle of the day. So I'm going to go show you guys the intraday chart here, just so you guys can see. You can probably guess where it came out. So it came out right here. And as soon as you see that flood of volume, that's where the breaking news play came out. And this is one that I already was watching. I called this one out in the Discord as soon as the news came out, and I said, I think this news is gonna move it. I think they were talking about electric vehicles. Again, a previous supernova stock that is super beaten down, having its first press release since the initial one that caused the run. That is like an A+++ setup for me if I can get in right at the price where the news comes out. And as soon as I saw this news, I was very confident. So I go and I buy, I think like 6,000 shares right in this area, like right around here. And I just sell into strength. And you guys can see in the replay that I'm about to show you, I literally make $5,000 in like a minute. So it's just a crazy setup. And you know, these are my favorite types of setups, guys, because I can go in with extremely high conviction because it's already a runner. People are already hyped about this stock, and any new type of news is going to make this thing run hard. And it's a very high win rate because you're buying right after a catalyst came out, which means there's a ton of buying volume. So if you're one of the first people in, you're almost never going to lose on a play like this. So you can take really, really big size and have some really big wins in a very short amount of time. So that's why my absolute favorite play is breaking news. I like it even more than panic dip buys, although those were really, really easy back in the day when it's straight red candles and then a straight bounce. But I know we had a lot of people in the Discord make some money on this because I called it out, and you know, I'm grateful that so many people were able to bank on this. So I'm very grateful for that. And honestly, that's pretty much all there is to this play. So I just want to show you guys the replay now. So let me go over here, and you can see this is my screen recording. I don't know if you can see, it's like a hour-and-a-half long video. I have it right here, right as the news comes out, just so you guys can literally see how I do it. So you can see I'm only up $600 on the day so far. We're about 30 minutes in the day. It's about 10 o'clock, and you know, this PR comes out. Let me just hit play. So you can see I immediately go type in ELEK, hit buy. I immediately buy 500 market. I'm going as fast as I can, and then I buy 5,000 at limit 2.7. Now, I probably should have typed in on the level 2 down here. I probably should have typed in the ticker so you guys can see it. I'm actually looking at level 2 above on my second screen, but that's not on the recording. So I'm actually not filled yet. I just got filled 500 shares. You can see right here. I'm also in a scalp position. Filled 1,000 shares. Filled 1,000. It's going. It's going. Filled 4,500. Filled 6,000 shares from an average of 259. 6,323 shares from a 259 average. This thing is ripping. I am already up almost $1,000 on this position, and it's just getting started, man. Absolutely insane. I'm not sure how far this thing is gonna go. And again, I wish I had the level 2 so you guys could really see on this, but unfortunately I don't in this recording. And I just start locking some in because I don't know if it's gonna fail here. I'm already up 1,300 bucks. I mean, look at this, I'm up $2,000. Insane, literally less than a minute. It's just crazy, man, just crazy. I'm not sure, so I start selling some here. You know, I start locking some in, I'm down to 5,300. Selling some, 500 lots at a time. Bids now at 310, man. Look at that. 4,300 on the day. I was at like 600 when it started. Crazy. Thing's still going. Up over 5,000 on the day now. Absolutely insane. I start locking it in up here. I should have sold all the shares. I should have sold, you know, more quickly. I didn't want to sell more than I had and then get, you know, messed up at Schwab. But I mean, that is just crazy, man. You see how easy that was? You see how quickly I just made $5,000? I mean, that is just insane. That is just insane. Absolutely insane. Now, I do end up making a mistake here, and you'll see this in a second. The bid drops out. I was trying to sell some at like, you know, 38, but I waited too long to place the order, and I ended up selling like 800 shares at like 303 or something like that. So you'll see that in a second here. I'm down to 923 shares. Go to close all. I don't know why I close all. It was only 823. Yeah, so you see right there, 723. I don't know why that's all it sells me, but I feel, you know, 723 at 305. So it's kind of annoying. But you can see, guys, literally up 5,000 bucks. Up 5,000 bucks there. I mean, that is just insane. So, you know, that's the beauty of these breaking news plays. You can get in early on a former supernova, the first news it has. Oh my gosh, it is literally just like printing money, guys. It's like printing money. So these are plays that you want to learn. I had a lot of other good scalps today. I'm learning scalping lists. I made like $1,000 scalping Apple today. Scalping a bunch of other stocks, and it's just cool, man. It's cool to keep learning new things, and I'm grateful to be able to share it with you guys. So hopefully you found this video entertaining. Hopefully you found it helpful. This is the potential. Once you scale up your account, you really get fast and you get good at these things, and you start to understand when you can go in big, you know, with conviction. So that's pretty much it. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, you know the drill. Let's grow better together. Preguntar, bebé, dime por qué te mientes. No puedes esconder todo lo que tú por mí sientes.